Ever pondered how addiction stealthily creeps into one's life, altering reality and transforming vibrant existences into mere shadows of their former selves? It's a tale as old as time, yet each narrative carries unique twists and turns. Today we recount the story of Ramiz Khan, a 28-year-old who fell victim to the insidious clutches of opium addiction. In the picturesque hills of Abbottabad, Pakistan, Ramiz unwittingly started his journey into addiction. A simple cup of tea at a friend's house turned into a daily ritual, a ritual laced with an unknown substance that soon held him captive. The tea, spiked with opium, became an irresistible need. The once lively young man was now trapped in a life that felt meaningless, devoid of joy, grief, or anger, merely a cog in the machine of existence. Desperate for a solution, Ramiz turned to Ayub Medical Complex, where he was prescribed tranquilizers. For 6 long months, he followed this regimen, but his life continued to feel empty and artificial. Physical ailments compounded his misery, with severe constipation and constant cravings for the opium-laced tea. In his darkest hour, a beacon of hope emerged. Ramiz found his way to Similia Homoeo clinics, where he was prescribed a dose of opium 1 mg, along with other homeopathic remedies. The results were dramatic and near instantaneous. A single dose triggered a week-long sleep, interspersed with bouts of severe vomiting. But when he woke, he found himself free from the shackles of addiction, his cravings vanished, and his life regained its meaning. The effectiveness of the treatment was astounding. The same substance that had triggered his addiction, opium, had now become the key to his recovery. This turnaround was a testament to the homeopathic law of similar, where a substance causing symptoms in a healthy person can cure similar symptoms in a sick person. Ramiz's journey, from the depths of addiction to the heights of recovery, is a story of resilience and hope. It underscores the power of homeopathic treatment in combating addiction, highlighting how substances, when used wisely, can transform from a curse into a cure. The tale of Ramiz is a testament to the strength of the human spirit and a ringing endorsement for the effectiveness of homeopathic treatment in tackling addiction.